There are 3 basic steps. Step 1, all you need to do is to come here, and there's something you're going to be typing here. I'm going to be showing you that in a little while. Step 2, you're going to choose your template. Now, step 3 is finishing touches, then click next. Hold on, we're going to come back to this in a little while. But in today's video, I will show you how to earn $92.82 with this easy AI side hustle that is tested, trusted, and actually proven. And all you need to do is to post short videos on social media. But what makes this very interesting is the fact that you're not going to be creating any of these videos yourself. AI is going to be doing it for you, and I'm going to be showing you how in today's video. This will only take a few minutes a day, as the only thing you need to do literally is to download and upload and publish. That's all. If you can download and upload, then you can actually make thousands of dollars every single month. And the best part is that I'm going to be talking about social media monetization in today's video. So before we jump right in, if you're seeing me for the first time, my name is Gerald, and I make videos around making money online. So what I do is that I try things out in work. I come right here and show you guys exactly what I've done. And the whole idea is that you can do the exact same thing and of course get the exact same result. So it's important for you guys to smash the like button on this video, subscribe to my channel, and most importantly, turn on the bell notification button so that when I drop more amazing videos just like what you're about to watch right now, YouTube is going to send you a notification instantly. So to get started, all you need to do is to click on the first link in the video description, and it's going to bring you to the interface that you're looking at on my laptop screen right now. And once you're here, what you need to do is to click where it says generate your first post, right? Once you click on this, it's going to bring you to this interface. I need to put in your email address and your password, then hit sign up to actually set up an account on this particular website. But because I already have an account, I'm going to go to sign in and actually sign into my account right now. So I'm logging into my account right now, and right here it says, good evening, Gerald Ford. So this is my email address basically, right? So what I'm going to do is to come here where it says content library, right? And it's going to bring me to this interface. So I'm going to come here and hit create a new post, okay? So right here, I'm going to click where it says text to post, and it's going to bring me to this interface right now. So what kind of post do I want to create? So we click on this place, it's going to say both promises, reason people would buy, how this will transform my user's life, depends on the kind of post you actually want to create. So I'm going to leave it to a post about, and I'm going to paste this in. I want to create a post about quick workouts for busy days that can be done in just a few minutes. So I'm going to come here and hit next. This is very important that you pay attention to this. Now the next thing is for me to select the template that I actually want to use to create this particular post right now. So first things first, how long should this post be? 30 seconds is fine. Orientation, all the orientations, I want a portrait orientation, right? If you are creating this for Instagram post, right, you might want to go with square, right? But I want a portrait orientation, or even a square orientation for Instagram basically, right? Okay, let me stick with portrait. Okay, so template, can select all, custom, favorites, whatever. I'm going to leave it at all. Style, abstract, aesthetics, bold, business, colorful, there's a whole lot of options for you to choose from. So I'm going to leave this alone. I'm going to scroll down right here and choose something from the list right here. So I'm going to come here and choose something from this list. So let's say I want to use this template, this one right here. I'm going to click on it, right? For no particular reason, I actually want to use this. I'm going to click on it. Then I'm going to come here. The third step is to click on next, right? And it's asking me if this AI should generate the footages for us, or we want to search by keywords, or we want to use our own images that we'll upload. I want this AI to actually generate these things for us. So I'm going to leave it where it is. Then I'm going to come here and hit generate. And this is the point where we sit back, relax, and let this AI do the job for us. So let's take a look at what we have done so far. So I'm going to click on this right now. So this is actually very easy to do, right? So you can actually keep my edits. Can change things around, the text, media, uploads, elements, layers, resize. You can actually do all of this. This is the creatives, right? Then there's caption right here, right, which has actually generated for us. And there's hashtag and suggestions and all of those things. So he has done all the job for us, right? So I'm going to close this right now. So this is the caption that he has done for us right here. So you can just post this on Instagram right now with this caption, easy peasy. Now there's also a content calendar right here that actually makes posting very easy for us. So let's say we want to actually post this today by 9:30, right? I can just bring this right here. I can link my Instagram account my Instagram story. You can post it for us on Instagram story, on Facebook, on LinkedIn, on Pinterest, on TikTok, Facebook groups, Twitter, YouTube shop, whatever you want it to put, you can actually post these things for us easily, right? All we need to do is to come here, click on this place, and actually link our account to this particular AI. And it will not only create the post, it will also publish the post for us on autopilot. Now, this is the real definition of automation, right? So there's also an idea lab where you actually get ideas. You can say, write 3 social media post ideas for my shoe brand. Or you can say, write 10 social media ideas for my health and fitness brand. Whatever it is that you actually do, you can actually do this to brainstorm, basically. Okay, so let's say that we're actually done with this. The real question you might have right now is, how do you actually make money with this? Let me show you that right now. I'm going to come here to the ClickBank Marketplace, right? And actually pick a product. Now, I am promoting health and fitness product. Your product could be make money online. Your product could be travel or whatever it is, basically, right? So I'm going to be doing this with health and fitness, and I'm going to come here to health and fitness, or basically just come here and type fitness, right? I'm going to hit enter, fitness program. I'm going to hit enter, and it's going to show me all of these products right now that can actually promote and make money. Now, this one says 100 fitness and health ebooks with resale, right? And I'm going to be earning about $8 for every conversion, every sale on this particular product. Now, this one, 75% for fitness professional, I'm going to be getting about $87 right here. So take your time and find the right product that you want to promote. Look at this product right here, the ultimate pull-up program. Let's say I want to actually promote this, for instance. So I'm going to come here and hit promote, right? And copy my affiliate link, put in my nickname here. I'm going to click on create uplink and copy my affiliate link. Now, this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to go straight to the Instagram account, the LinkedIn account, the Facebook page, the YouTube channel that I've actually created where I'm going to be posting this product. And this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to come straight to the Instagram account and put the affiliate link right here. How do you do that? Just come here and click on edit profile on your account, right? Where it says website link, you're going to replace this with your link. This is not possible because I'm on a computer. Now it says editing your links is only available on mobile. So you can actually edit this link and put your affiliate link right there, right? And you're going to do the same thing for TikTok. You're going to put your link right here, your affiliate link again, right? And this one for YouTube, you're going to do the same thing for YouTube. You're going to replace this link right here, right? And put your affiliate link. But on YouTube and Facebook, you actually have more opportunities to put your link. So right here, you can actually come to your video and make sure the link is in the description of your video, right? That's one. And you could do the same thing for Facebook as well. Come to your Facebook page. When you are posting, also put the link inside the post on Facebook. And also you can put the link in the comment section and pin it right there in the comment section easily, right? So what happens is that somebody can actually views that, likes it, clicks on your link, and actually purchases this product. You get a commission instantly from affiliate marketing. But that's not the only way to actually make money. At some point where you've actually scaled this and grown, people will start paying you to actually promote their product. That's sponsorship deals, right? Platforms like Facebook, YouTube, and TikTok will start paying you because of the views that you are getting easily. And that's an amazing way to actually make money online with this amazing AI side hustle, right? But the mistake a lot of you guys are going to make is that you actually create 1 and 2 and 3, post it and give up, and come and tell me in the comments section, Gerald, this doesn't work. This actually does work, but you have to put in the work, right? Now take it upon yourself to actually make at least 5 contents every single day and post it on all of these platforms in the next 60 days, right? I can assure you that you're going to come back with a testimony, right? So here's what I need to do right now. Click on the first link in the video description and grab this AI tool right now. And if you notice that we're actually on the free version, the trial version will only allow you to generate 30 posts, right? If you want to do more, which is where you're actually taking this serious and you actually want to make money online with this particular AI side hustle, you need to actually jump on this paid version, right? There's a $24 a month, there's a $49 a month, and a $150 a month. Now, which one would I recommend? I would recommend that you start with this $49 a month. And the interesting thing is that if you pay annually, you're going to be getting 2 months for completely free, right? So go ahead and take action right now. And like I said, consistently do this for the next 60 days. And I can assure you that you're going to come back with a testimony, guys. So I want to say a very big thank you to you guys for watching this video from beginning to the very end. If you've not done that already, I want to encourage you again to smash the like button on this video, subscribe to my channel, and most importantly, turn on the bell notification button. So when I drop more amazing videos, just like what you just watched right now, YouTube is going to send you a notification instantly. And if you want to learn more about affiliate marketing, this video showing up right here will show you guys exactly how to get started. So until I see you in my next video, guys, keep winning, and don't forget that Gerald does love you guys. Bye from here, guys.